Today we're solving algebraic proportions. A proportion is two fractions that are equal to each other. And what is always true about proportions is that their cross products are equal. So over here we've got the fraction a over b equals c over d. If these two fractions are equivalent, then their cross products are equal. So cross product means the top left times the bottom right. A times d will equal bottom left times top right, b times c. Using that fact, we can solve for x in example 1. So 4 times x gives us 4x, and then we would set that equal to 8 times 10 to get 80. And then to solve this equation for x, I would divide both sides by 4, and we get x equals 20. In number 2, our cross products would be 2 times x and 7 times 3. So 2 times x gives us 2x. Set that equal to 7 times 3, which is 21. Divide both sides by 2. And if it doesn't divide evenly, just leave your answer as an improper fraction. Number 3, if you have an expression more than just a variable in your numerator or denominator, think of it as a grouping. So think of x minus 1 in parentheses. All right, so our first cross product will be 3 times the quantity x minus 1. Make sure you put the parentheses around it. And then our other cross product, 10 times 6, gives us 60. First thing we would want to do is distribute the 3. That would give us 3x minus 3. And then to isolate x, we would add 3 to both sides. And then divide both sides by 3 to get x equals 21. For number 4, our cross products are 3 times 7, and then 6 times the quantity x plus 6. So first thing we would do is distribute the 6. That gives us 6x plus 36. And then subtract 36. Gives us 6x equals negative 15. And then divide both sides by 6. It doesn't divide evenly, but we can reduce. Negative 15 over 6 reduces to negative 5 halves. I forgot the negative here. All right, in number 5, the cross products are 3 times x minus 1. And the other cross product is 10 times 6. That one looks exactly the same as what we already did, so I'll go quickly. Okay, let's look at number 6. We have a unique one. We'll take 6 times the quantity x minus 2, set that equal to our other cross product, 10x. Distributing the 6 gives us 6x minus 12 equals 10x. We have a variable on both sides, so I would subtract 6x from both sides and then divide both sides by 4. So we get x equals negative 3. Number 7, our cross products are 7 times x plus 10 equals 6 times quantity x minus 3. So we will have to distribute on both sides. On the left side, distributing gives us 7x plus 70. On the right-hand side, distributing the 6 gives us 6x minus 18. We do have a variable on both sides, so I like to get rid of whichever one's smaller. 6 is smaller than 7, so I would subtract 6x from both sides. That gives us x plus 70 equals negative 18. So to get x alone, I would subtract 70 from both sides, and we get x equals negative 88. Number 8, our cross products are 8 times the quantity x minus 3. The other cross product is 2 times the quantity x plus 7. Set the cross products equal. Distributing the 8 on the left gives us 8x minus 24. Distributing the 2 on the right gives us 2x plus 14. I do have a variable on both sides, so I get rid of the smaller one. I would subtract 2x from both sides. So now we have 6x minus 24 equals 14. To get x alone, I would add 24 to both sides and then divide both sides by 6. If it does not divide evenly, just reduce. Write your fraction answers in simplest form.